Okay. Hello, Pranav sir.
Yes, Soria. Very good. How are you, Soria?
Okay, I'm just fine. What's about you? I want to ask you also that question that what's about you?
Yes, I am very good. I am very fantastic, looking very nice, and we have met again. It is our third video, which we are going to do, upload on YouTube channel. So please introduce yourself, Soria, so our viewers can know about you because it is important to introduce. Please introduce yourself first.
Yes, as many viewers know that my introduction, but I want to also give introduction again so my viewers or our viewers can know about me that who am I. So after telling my introduction, so please you will also tell your introduction. So I start my introduction that my name is Shorya Meshram and I'm just 13 years old and now I'm learning English and I'm good at English and now I can speak English. So this is my introduction and so please Pranav sir, please tell me your introduction.
Yeah, thank you very much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. So, guys, this is me, Prano, and my YouTube channel name is English Talk Soon. So, this is me, Prano, and this day I am learning English, and I belong to Bihar, and I am from working profession as well as I am also content creator. I upload many videos on a YouTube channel, and I upload related to English conversation, related to English speaking. So this all about my side.
Okay. So I want to ask you one question that how is your practice going nowadays? I want to ask you this question. How is your practice going?
Yes, if you ask to about my practice, so my practice going on is very smoothly, and I do practice with so many learners that is already fluent speaker, and I also practice with Soria, and I have another person which is advanced level speaker. So I practice with them, and I sometimes I upload some video, sometimes I create some video, and to making video is also a type of practicing, and we are just doing conversation, so it is also practicing. So, and also I do practice with mirror, and I do in whole day. I do whole day in practice. Just practices going on in this day, in whole day. Say, so what about Soria? How's your practice going on?
Okay,
Let me know.
my practice is just going fantastic and I'm practicing English very well. Just I'm practice with you like I'm practice with another person and I speak English very well and now you know that I can speak English very well. So another question I want to also ask you that how do you practice English means when you practice then how do you practice? I want to also know from you and our viewers can also know from you that how do you practice so our viewers can learn English very fastly.
Yes. Very good question which asked by you. Actually, I practice in a WhatsApp group. Y- You know, I create some kind of WhatsApp group. There is also belong to our friend and all our co-learners. So I practice with that learners and practice with my friends, and that person is also already know very well about English. So I am very much fluent. I very much familiar with that person. So I practice with, and we discussing so many things in one day, and we discuss so whole everything. Uh, what you are asking, what about your opinion, what about your this thing, what is that thing. So we practice in that way, and we are just im- improving. We are I'm improving a lot
Oh,
by just using of a WhatsApp group, by using of the and other things as well.
okay. So I heard from you that you practice daily of English and your practice is going very definitely and very fastly and I looked at you that you can speak English and I want to also ask you one question that when did you start your journey that about English so you can speak English now and who did you motivate to learn English? So could you please tell me and could you please tell our viewers?
Yes. If you talk about the motivation, so I gained some motivation from my colleagues, because I have also upload. I had also upload one video is on the basis of how did I motivate to start the learning of this language. You can, so this is also one video is uploaded there. But I would, if I ask, so I would like to say my there is one colleagues who work at airport, and so many foreigner passenger going and coming by a flight. So I that person is motivate me to, if you want to communicate with foreigner passengers, and so make sure you will have to speak English. So that time I really motivated. So that is the thing I started learning of this language. So that's why I started learning of this language. That's when my friend also told me, if you want to again, if you want to get better salaries, so you will have to start learning of this language. So if you are able to speak of this language, so definitely you will get much salary, you will get better salaries as compared to others who is not able to speak English. So it is very important things. It is global language. We don't need to just specialize ourselves. If you are go anywhere to, gain, you can get some good partner who just speaks very well. And if you are just you are able to speak English, so you can go anywhere in another country as well. That's why I started learning this language. So that thing I'm really motivated to start this learning of this journey.
Yes, I heard
So
from.
what about you? Why did you start of this learning of this language?
Yes, my viewers know already that why did I start my journey, that why did I decide to learn English. But I want to tell again in this video that you are in front of me, and I want to also tell in this video that how did I start my journey and why did I start my journey, that like I am speaking English in front of you, and I am speaking English in front of anybody. So why did I start my journey? So like that's the reason that anybody did not motivate me, and I started my journey. First of all, I want to tell you that I started my journey on 10th of January, and I have also shared in one video that I have started my journey on 10th of January. And on that day, like I decided to learn English, and on that day I decided that on 2025 I have to learn English, and if I will learn English, that people will respect me. And earlier people did not used to respect me, but now people respect me. Why? Because I learned English and now I can speak English fluently. So this is my journey about like my learning English, that how did I learn English. So this is my journey about learning English. So Pranav sir, and also I want to ask you also one question, that uh, I have asked you one question, that who motivated you to learn English. And in this video I want to ask you some question, that how can we improve vocabulary.
Yeah, vocabulary. If we talk about the vocabulary, so we can learn vocabulary by just some teacher. Teacher also, there is some institute, there is some classes who teach the vocabulary portion. But most important thing is that you have completed your class, you have completed your vocabulary classes. But if you are not just using of those kind of vocabulary, so it will be not remembering the long time in your mind. So thing is that whatever you have learned the vocabulary from the institute or from the class, you have to try to inculcate while speaking. Try to just use the regular basis those kind of vocabulary whatever you have learned. So it is important to just to use those kind of vocabulary in daily basis while writing, while speaking. So it is very good things.
Yes.
But so long, to keep the vocabulary in your mind in long time.
Yes.
So what about you? What you are doing for learning of vocabulary? What about your opinion about this?
Yes. I'm just taking class on another platform, but I also improve by myself. And I learned vocabulary, that if I talk about vocabulary, that how did I improve my vocabulary? So I used to make sentences. so I improved my vocabulary. You know that I used to make only six sentences, only six sentences. If you will make only six sentences, then you will remember for a lifetime. Because making sentences, if you will make sentences, then subconscious mind will active, and subconscious mind will say that you can remember vocabulary for a lifetime. So this is the way that I used to practice. And you can say that yes, this is the way that I used to practice, and now I am also practicing now. And you know that by degrees we should practice vocabulary, because if we will practice vocabulary in a single day, you can say 1000, 2000, then we can't remember. If we will only remember like 100 vocabularies, 50 vocabularies, then it's okay, because we will remember for a lifetime. So we should remember vocabularies, or we should memorize. No, we should not memorize. We should only making sentences only, you can say 10 vocabularies, only 10 vocabularies we have to see, and we have to make sentences. So if we will make only, like you can say, if we will remember only 10 vocabularies, then it's okay, and we can remember for the lifetime. So what's your opinion, Pranav sir?
Yeah, very good, very good. You have explained very good way about the vocabulary. It's not a, it is really important to use a vocabulary in while speaking, while using of sentences, just inculcate of sentences. So really important. And one thing is that if I really observe the things in while learning of this language, sometimes just somebody give the topic, the people they have lots of knowledge about the vocabulary, they have lots of knowledge about the word, and they have lots of knowledge about the grammar. And the thing is that while they is speaking on this on upon the topic, they got as talk. So why the things happen? So I would like to just say something about the things. People, because of the hesitation, because of the person think, if I will do mistake, if I will do this mistake, if I will do that mistake, so people will start laughing on me. So it is the wrong perception, the person who has this perception. So you have to think like this, this is topic, and I have to speak on this topic, and don't pressurize yourself too much. Okay, just start speaking upon the topic. So it is really important. So you will be able to speak on this topic.
Yes.
And if you are start just giving the attention too much on this topic, so definitely you are not going to speak, you are not going to explain on that topic. So that is the important thing. So what about your opinion, Soria? Why people get stalled while speaking? A person already have the knowledge about that person things. Why people get stuck?
Yes. Why people get stuck? It's a very important question to everybody. And please listen to everybody that you have. If you have any question, this type of question, then you can also write down in the comment. But this question, Pranav sir asked me that why people get stuck in English. So in this video, I am going to tell you that why people get stuck in English. So this is the reason that people hesitate, that people will laugh at me, people will do at me, people will this thing do at me. So you don't have to think like this, because you think that people respect me. So you don't have to think that people respect me. You have to think that people don't respect me, and I just need to speak. So you have to just speak. Whatever people will think, you don't have to think. So, and you know guys, that any people don't think about you. Any people, like, listen to me, that any people don't think about you. Any people just say something about you. So if you will do progressing, if you are progressing, then people will appreciate you definitely. So just speak English. And you ask me that why people get stuck in English. So this is the reason, that hesitation. Yeah, as you said, that hesitation is the main reason that people stuck in English. And you also stuck in English because of vocabularies, because you don't know all vocabularies, and you don't know that how to use this vocabulary. So you can't speak English, and you will not be able to speak English. But you know all vocabularies, and you know good words in vocabulary, so you will be able to speak English. Why? Because you know vocabularies, and you know good vocabularies. As you can see, and as you can see Pranav sir, that Pranav sir are using good vocabulary, and I am using also good vocabulary. So this is the reason that we are able to speak English. So this is the reason, Pranav sir.
Yes, Soria. So thank you very much to being with me, and it has completed 15 minutes. So what would you like to say in our viewers in the end?
Okay, in the end, I want to say to the viewers that as soon as learn English, English is an international and global language in the world. That if you will not learn English, then anybody will not respect you. And if you are like, if your son will speak in English, and if you are like, if your son is going to English medium, so your son will speak in English. So how will you speak in? In Hindi, you will speak in Hindi, then you will type up a Hindi person, and you don't know that how to speak English. But if you know that how to speak English, so you can communicate with your son, and you will be respected with your in front of your son, and you will be respected in front of many people. So this is the thing that I wanted to give opinion to the like viewers. So please tell me your opinion also, so our viewers can also know about you or about your opinion, that what did you want to say in last.
Yes, yes. In the end, I would like to say my viewers, because we will be uploading on this kind of video. That video really help to you to improve your communication skills, of improve to your English. So keep watching on our video, and just do like, subscribe to our video and our channel, so that your help really will really motivate to me to uploading in this kind of video. So it will be very good. And please do like, subscribe, and comment in the below, and so that we can motivate from the your comment. And thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you very much, Soria.
and if you have any question, and if our viewers have any questions, so please write down in the comment section. So we will answer the question in the next video. So thank you, Pranav sir. We will meet in the next video, and we will do conversation like this. So thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.